Vande Mataram children. Today in Science Physics chapter number 16 we are going to discuss about our next topic, that is depletion of water table. Till now we have understood what is water table, and here in this topic we are going to discuss that how this depletion means the decrease in the water table takes place. So let's discuss in detail. So today's our topic is depletion of water table. If we draw more water from the ground, then the amount of water which seeps into the ground, then the water table goes down and gets depleted. Depletion of water मतलब water table मतलब कि वहाँ पे water table का amount proportion कम होना. Now how that depletion or decrease takes place, ऐसा कौन से factors है जिससे water table कम होता जाता है? Water table gets depleted due to increase in population, second is industrial activities, third agricultural activities, fourth decrease in rainfall, and fifth one, that is deforestation. We are going to discuss first three in detail. So let's see one by one. So first factor we are going to discuss, that is increasing population. Children, we know that जैसे जैसे population बढ़ रहा है वैसे ही we need more space for our construction, building, then shops, office, roads, pavements. This decrease the open areas like parks and playgrounds. This in turn decrease the seepage of rainwater into the ground. So what could be the consequences? इसके कारण क्या होगा? There is no open space from where the water can seep into the ground, and due to that it results into depletion of water table. That is the one reason factor, that is increasing population. Moreover, a huge amount of water is required for construction work. Often groundwater is used for this purpose. So on the one hand we are consuming more groundwater, and on the other hand we are allowing lesser water to deep into the ground. We are not allowing it to seep into the ground. This results into depletion of water table. In fact, the water table in some parts of many cities has gone down to alarming low levels. Alarming low levels मतलब बहुत ही कम हो रहा है, so we have to be very conscious about it. So second factor that is responsible for the depletion of water table is increasing industries. So let's understand this. Water is used by all the industries. Almost everything that we use needs water somewhere in its production process. The number of industries is increasing continuously. Water used by most of the industries is drawn from the ground, and that's the reason why water table is decreasing, that is the depletion of water table. Here one activity given, that is 16.4, you can discuss with your parents about it. It's about make a list of industries that make products and what is the importance of that product. Discuss with your teacher and parents how the growing industries activity is responsible for the depletion of water table. And then the third factor responsible for depletion is agricultural activities. A majority of farmers in India depend upon rain for irrigation. Irrigation systems such as canals are there only in a few places. Even this system may suffer from lack of water due to erratic rainfall. Therefore, farmers have to use groundwater for irrigation. erratic rainfall मतलब एकदम it's not fixed that it's going to rain in that particular region. Okay, rain is not fixed. Okay, sometime it may start early, sometime it may start late, and the amount it falls, that also matter from different place to place. Therefore, they don't completely depend on rainwater. They use different irrigation system. Farmers have to use groundwater for irrigation purpose. Now, population pressure on एग्रीकल्चर फोर्सेस इंक्रीजिंग यूज ऑफ ग्राउंड वाटर, क्योंकि जैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रहा है, फार्मर हैज टू increase its production, then only it can fulfill the needs of population, and for that purpose he has to use groundwater. So due to the population pressure on farmer, that also one of the reason for the agricultural for the depletion of water table. So thank you children for the day.